Hey guys, so if you're curious if you can connect a USB drive to your JBL Xtreme 4, it's important to say is that JBL Xtreme 4 is that yes, you can add USB drive there, but it's not going to play music or anything like that. So yes, you can get it there. Just be aware that it's not going to play any songs from the USB. So alright, just be aware of it. No, nothing like that. And you can insert the USB drive, but you won't be able to listen to music from the USB drive. So that's for the JBL Xtreme 4. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.